have dividends, capital gains, or interest from investments. Reporting them correctly is key, and TurboTax Premier is built to handle it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You'll enter this in the Investment Income section. Have your forms 1099 Div, Dividends, 1099 Int, Interest, and 1099B, Sales, ready. You can import many of these from major brokerages like Fidelity or Vanguard. TurboTax will sort your capital gains into short-term and long-term, calculate the correct tax, and even help you report any capital loss carryovers from prior years. My crucial pro tip: pay close attention to Form 1099B cost basis. Ensure the cost basis reported in Box 1E is correct. If it's missing or wrong, you could overpay your tax. You may need to adjust it manually using your own records. TurboTax guides you through this. Accurate investment reporting protects your portfolio's growth from unnecessary taxes. Are your investments generating more in growth or dividends these days? For more smart investor tax tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.